Microfiber. Imported. Microfiber material with waffle knit for best cleaning results. Reversible design on front and back of towel. Carabiner included for easy bag attachment. Multiple color styles available. Top reviews from the United States. Best golf towel I have purchased. This towel is perfect for golf. It wipes of the dirt and water from the club simply and efficiently. The dirt also cleans off of it very easily. For rounds where it's not so muddy, it is easily hand washable, and for rounds where it gets caked with mud, simply throwing it in the washing machine makes it look brand new again. Additionally, the colors are vibrant and don't fade after washing. I highly recommend this towel.